to delete your Instagram account and how to actually delete it. So as you can see, I've made a fake account, a really stupid name. What you're gonna do, click on up here, then go to settings, and then go to help, then help center. Now, as you can see, it's gonna bring you here. You're gonna go down, click managing your account, then delete your account. Now it's gonna show you here, how do I temporarily disable my account, how do I delete my account, and how do I do that stuff. Click how do I delete my account. When you delete, this stuff basically, you can choose to temporarily disable your account, delete your account to delete your account page. That's where you're gonna go. If you want to temporarily disable it, just click on here. So delete your account page, and it's gonna give you the reason to why you want to delete your account. So you want to choose one of these, and there we go. Let's just do that. And if you choose that, you have to choose one of these, and you have to re-enter your password for your account to make sure that's actually your account. And once you do that, just click permanently delete my account, and your account will be permanently deleted. When you try to go on Instagram, your account will no longer be there, or you'll be logged out and the account will just no longer exist. So yeah, that is how you delete your Instagram account. I don't actually want to delete this account because I use it for reasons. But anyway, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.